Pearson Test of English, or PTE test takers. Big news. Pearson has introduced 2 new speaking question types. I'm here to break down what they are, how to ace them, and some insider tips you can start using today. Let's dive in. These new tasks are designed to make the PTE speaking test more like real-life communication, where you have to listen, think fast, and speak clearly under time pressure. The 2 new types are summarize group discussion and respond to a situation. These changes are about preparing you for real-world communication challenges, making the test more relevant to your daily and professional life. First up, summarize group discussion. You'll hear a conversation, like colleagues in a meeting. Your job is to summarize what they said in about 40 seconds. You listen once, get prep time, then speak your summary. Listen for the main topic and key points. Don't repeat everything, focus on the essence. Use linking phrases like, they discussed, or in conclusion. Next, respond to a situation. This is a role-play task. You'll be given a scenario, like helping a customer or asking for information. You'll see or hear the situation, have a few seconds to think, then respond naturally. Speak in the first person and address the situation directly. Be polite and structured. Greeting, main point, conclusion. Keep talking, even if unsure, to maintain fluency. Let's reiterate why these changes are important. These 2 question types test your ability to think on your feet and speak in a natural, structured way. These are skills you'll actually use in work, study, and daily life. So that's the lowdown on the new PTE speaking question types. For summarize group discussion, focus on main ideas and flow. For respond to a situation, stay calm, polite, and clear. If you want more practice tips and sample answers for these new tasks, hit that subscribe button and check the links in the description. Good luck with your PTE prep. You've got this.